Noida, a city of vision, ambition and limitless possibilities. And at the heart of its transformation stands ATS Homecraft, a name synonymous with trust, excellence and innovation. Noida is on the rise. The region surrounding the Yamuna Expressway is fast becoming the new epicenter of development, connectivity, infrastructure and lifestyle. Everything is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Amidst this thriving landscape, ATS Homecraft presents an exclusive development, Province de Olympia, spread over 101,203 acres with 603 villa plots. This is where luxury meets nature, where aspirations take root. Strategically located, Province de Olympia ensures effortless connectivity. We believe that seamless connectivity is the foundation of a great location. Just a short drive from Delhi, via the DND toll, Mahamaya flyover and Noida Greater Noida Expressway, the project sits at the confluence of progress and convenience at Yamuna Expressway, which serves as region's lifeline. Flying over Noida, we trace the straight road from Mayur Vihar, highlighting the Mayur Vihar metro station. Moving forward, we showcase Sector 18 as a distinct route, while the DND toll road merges smoothly at the Mahamaya flyover. Leading seamlessly onto the Noida Greater Noida Expressway. Here, at the Mahamaya flyover, all roads unite, leading towards the future. From here, the journey continues. Racing along the expressway. And soon, we arrive at the gateway to infinite possibilities, Yamuna Expressway, where another vital route from Parichal seamlessly merges. Guiding us to our destination. As we approach, notable institutions like Galgotia's University and iconic landmarks such as Buddh International Circuit dot the landscape, ensuring that education, sports and world-class amenities are always within reach. Welcome to Province de Olympia, a haven designed for those who seek the extraordinary, a place where luxury is not just an experience, but a way of life. Here, world-class amenities cater to every passion: tennis, basketball, futsal, cricket, badminton. Every sport finds a home here. Cycling and jogging tracks weave through lush landscapes, offering a perfect blend of fitness and nature. For holistic well-being, meditation zones, yoga gardens, and refreshing green retreats provide tranquility. Senior citizen pavilions, children's play areas, and elegant tea pavilions offer spaces to connect, unwind, and celebrate life. Prince de Olympia is not just a plotted development. It's a community designed for every generation, surrounded by the best in education,